How you doing, guys? I hope you're well. I was thinking the other day, back in England, when I was about 19, 20, I got really inspired. So let me explain. You see, I'm from a small town called Rotherham, UK, and every Friday night, I used to be about 19, 20, used to have a few tipples, go to the pub, good atmosphere. Well, I would say a lot of tipples, actually, yeah. But at the end of the night, we used to try and find the Spud Man, that's what we used to call him, and he used to make the best jacket potatoes ever, and I can't stop thinking about him, and that's what inspired me to do this dish. So sit back, relax, and enjoy. First, add potatoes to a roasting tray, followed by olive oil, and rub well. Pierce potatoes all over with a fork. Add a good pinch of salt. Now place in the oven and cook until soft. For the barbecue sauce, dice onion and garlic. Add olive oil to a pan, add onions and garlic with a pinch of salt. Now sweat for 5 minutes. Add smoked paprika and cook out for 2 minutes. Add vinegar. Bring to a boil, then simmer. Next, add brown sugar, Worcestershire sauce, ketchup, hot sauce, and mustard. Stir well, bring to a boil, then simmer for around 15 minutes. For the protein, I'll be using skirt steak. It's lean, it's a tough cut of meat, but packed full of flavour. You either cook it on a very high heat or low and slow. I cut mine into strips to cook it fast. Add a drizzle of olive oil, a good pinch of salt, and mix well. Next, transfer to a very hot pan and cook for no more than 1 minute. I cook mine in batches to get a nice sear and not to overcook the meat. When cooked, add to the sauce, stir, turn off the heat, and cover. A great accompaniment to this dish is grilled jalapeños. Slice in half, remove core. Add olive oil, mix, transfer to a hot grill, and cook. So there you have it, that's my baked potato with beef barbecue sauce with blue cheese. So simple, packed full of flavour. Give it a go. Thanks, guys. Look at that.